Every gardener knows the anticipation and hope that comes with planting a seed. There's a quiet thrill in waiting, day after day, for any sign of life to break through the surface, and then suddenly it happens. That magical moment when the first sprout pushes through the soil, reaching for the light. It's a moment that feels almost sacred, a reward for patience and care, and it never fails to inspire awe, no matter how many times you witness it. It's a tiny miracle, a promise of growth, beauty, and life. That fragile green shoot holds the potential for a flourishing garden, and in its delicate form we see the beginning of something wonderful. The dew on its leaves glistens in the morning sun, hinting at the nourishment and hope that each new day brings. For a gardener, this is a moment of pure possibility, but we're not the only ones watching that tender green shoot. The garden is alive with other eyes. Tiny insects, both friend and foe, are drawn to this new life. Some come to feed, others to protect, and the gardener must navigate this delicate balance. The dilemma begins. How do we nurture and defend this fragile promise, knowing that every living thing in the garden has its own stake in its survival? Chemical sprays promise quick results. They kill fast, but at what cost? These sprays don't discriminate. They kill pests, but also bees, butterflies, ladybirds, and sometimes even the small animals that visit our gardens. In the world of gardening, we often find ourselves searching for the perfect solution to keep our plants healthy and thriving. But there's a better way, a method that doesn't rely on harsh chemicals or expensive store-bought products. For countless years, gardeners just like you have turned to time-honored techniques, passed down from one generation to the next. These methods are rooted in tradition, wisdom, and a deep respect for the natural world. They remind us that sometimes the simplest solutions are the most effective. Nature has always offered solutions. Simple, effective, and safe. From the morning dew that nourishes leaves to the helpful insects that protect our gardens, the natural world is full of remedies waiting to be discovered. By observing and working with nature, we can find gentle ways to care for our plants. You can make your own all-purpose garden spray using just a few everyday ingredients found in your kitchen. With items like oil, soap, and baking soda, you can create a safe and effective solution to protect your plants, nurture your garden, and honor the wisdom of nature's remedy. Before spraying, always test it on a small leaf first. Wait a day to check for any reaction, especially on delicate plants. By choosing natural remedies, you do more than protect plants. You protect life. Bees continue to pollinate, ensuring the survival of countless plant species. These tiny creatures play a monumental role in our ecosystem, transferring pollen from one flower to another, facilitating the growth of fruits, vegetables, and seeds. Without them, our gardens would be barren, and our food supply would be in jeopardy. Their buzzing presence is a testament to the health of our environment, a sign that life is flourishing. Earthworms keep the soil healthy, acting as nature's tillers. They burrow through the earth, creating channels that allow air and water to reach plant roots. Their castings, rich in nutrients, enhance soil fertility, promoting robust plant growth. These humble creatures are the unsung heroes of the garden, working tirelessly beneath the surface to ensure that plants have the best possible environment to thrive. Their presence indicates a balanced, healthy soil ecosystem, one that supports a diverse range of plant and animal life. And your garden becomes a safe haven. You'll see stronger plants, greener leaves, and richer soil. The vibrant colors and lush foliage are a direct result of the natural balance you've cultivated. Each plant, from the smallest herb to the tallest tree, benefits from the harmonious environment you've created. The soil, teeming with life, provides the perfect foundation for growth. This thriving ecosystem is a sanctuary for both plants and animals, a place where nature's beauty is on full display. And you'll know that your garden's beauty isn't built on harm, but on harmony. So, ditch the chemicals, Embrace the natural methods that support life rather than destroy it. The soft glow of the sunset over your garden is a reminder of the peace and tranquility that comes from working with nature, not against it. Each tool you use, each method you employ, is a step towards a more sustainable, eco-friendly garden. The gentle rustling of leaves, the chirping of birds, and the buzzing of bees are all signs of a garden in harmony. Embrace the magic of homemade solutions. These simple, effective remedies are not only better for your plants, but also for the environment. By using ingredients you can find in your kitchen or garden, you reduce your reliance on harmful chemicals. Each mixture you create is a testament to your commitment to sustainability. Whether it's a natural insect repellent or a homemade fertilizer, these solutions are a way to nurture your garden with love and care. They are a reflection of your dedication to preserving the natural world. Your garden doesn't need harsh weapons. It needs thoughtful hands. Protect your plants, protect the earth. Each seedling you plant, each weed you pull, is an act of stewardship. Your careful attention to detail, your gentle touch, ensures that your garden remains a place of beauty and life. By choosing eco-friendly methods, you are making a statement about the kind of world you want to live in. A world where nature is respected and preserved, where every plant and animal has a place. And remember, every time you mix your own remedy, you're not just saving your garden, you're contributing to a larger movement towards sustainability. Each homemade solution is a small but significant step towards reducing your environmental footprint. It's a way to take control of your gardening practices, to ensure that they are in line with your values. By choosing natural remedies, you are supporting a healthier planet, one garden at a time. You're saving the world around it. Your garden becomes a microcosm of what we hope to achieve on a larger scale. A thriving, balanced ecosystem where every element works in harmony. The butterflies fluttering from flower to flower, the bees busily collecting nectar, the rich, dark soil teeming with life. All of these are signs of a healthy, vibrant garden. By choosing natural remedies, you are playing a part in preserving the beauty and diversity of our planet. Your garden is a testament to the power of nature, a reminder that with care and attention, we can create a world where life flourishes.